You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this Swiss singer. Originally, she's from Switzerland, a French-speaking part of Switzerland, I believe, hence her somewhat French-sounding name. Her first name is pronounced Manon. That's the French pronunciation here. Manon. Manon. In English, well, this on sound doesn't really exist in the English language, so it's usually pronounced Manon. But if you can say Manon, then that's better. Banerman would be the French pronunciation of her last name. Banerman. Manon Banerman. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.